So I got the logo coming, the Oldsmobile logo. They did a newer paint job on it, so the Oldsmobile logo is coming in. New side marker lights were just installed. Clean body, very straight, nice silver paints. Sorry for the wind, guys. Original factory wheels. So as far as the interior, I'll let you guys know what I'm doing. So I got new door knobs coming in, okay? Weather stripping looks good. The interior is original. I have brand new door sill plates that I'm installing. Door jambs, when I did the paint job, they did a nice job, okay? As you can see, factory interior. I have a new headliner coming in. It's got tilt wheel cruise, lightning rods for the shifter. Car shows 81,000 miles. It is a little dirty in here. We're doing some fixing on the car, but the dash is cracked underneath. I do have a new dash cover coming. The car does drive super nice. I have the cover for that. I'm going to install that. I have new gas pedals. Both of these will be replaced as well. And it does drive really good. It sounds good. Okay. There you have it. A few things that you will still need on the car. Some electrical stuff will be needed. So, yeah. There you go, guys. MGM Classic Cars. Talk soon. Just a good driver quality.